Right, we're back. Right, I brought Ronnie in because I showed him on the first one of these videos of the build series, and he had an ear infection. Just thought I'd give you a little update. He's doing alright. He's got a load of allergies, just like Grizz, and we're working to make him better, but it's giving him ear infections and things like that. But his ear's a lot better. He's a lot better, aren't you? Say hello to the people. Hello, hello everyone. Okay, you alright now? You gonna be better? There's another little fortunate kiss there. He doesn't give out many kisses, licks or kisses, do you? He's a rascal bum, keeps us entertained, gives us a lot of fun. But anyway, let's get back. I'm gonna put him back indoors, keep him out of trouble because he's a bit of a little troublemaster. I'm gonna get on and get the rest of this bike done. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update. He's fine, he's doing well, and thanks to everyone for saying hello. Right, that's it. All the stickers are on the plastics now. Everything now just has to go on the bike. Getting really excited now. Now it's time to get on
the big guns. Oh yeah.
Right, big guns are front mudguard. It's going to look great on. It's going to look smashing great, lovely, wonderful. So mudguard, try not to drop it, Grizz. We've got the mudguard, the tank, the side panels, and the headlight guard. Let's get the headlight guard on because I'm fed up of this headlight flopping around. Now, I did say previously with the headlight, it was all very loose and floppy, but it just is. I've been looking at the setup, and it's all on rubbers. All this top piece of plastic is just mounted onto two kind of rubber grommets, and it does bounce around. There's no real way of firming that up apart from removing those rubber grommets, but I'm strongly suspecting that they are there by design to work in the way they do. So that's the way it is basically. So anyway, without further ado, let's just get on with it and get this headlight fitted back on. Do with another pair of hands. Taffy, where are you? She's at work actually. Oh, poor love. Working the weekends while Grizz plays with his Supermoto in the garage. She deserves a medal. Back on the adjuster, put these funny little bit of rubber tubes, which is easier said than done. Flipping it, that's fiddly. Excuse me. This is seriously hard to get this rubber Right, what I'm doing is trying to get this piece of rubber inside this hole, and I've got to get it kind of in an angle and around, hence why they're rubbery, but these are seriously hard to get in. Right, only answer I've got is to take the old one off and put some new ones on with the use of some more hose. Seems to make sense. Hardest bit of the day for the job. Hardest part I've had to do. Let's put it on that bad boy. Jeez. Right, that is the headlight guard on. What a headache that was. Let's get the mud guard on. Hopefully this will be a lot easier. That's that done. On. Right, let's get the battery in, the tank on, and then we can get the seat on, and we're done. Let's get it done. Battery on. It's on. Right, that's it. Let's get the tank on. The tank, let's get it on, quick. Oh, Jesus, it's heavy-ish. Actually, I need to do the fuel lines up first. Right, you lot, that is it. It's done. It's finished at long last. She's together and ready to get back out in the streets again and cause havoc. I hope you've enjoyed the build series. It works as well. Grizz didn't even break it. Put the choke on. Right, that's enough of that. Yeah, it works. So it's ready to rock and roll. Really happy with it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you like the stickers and the tank and everything, and yeah, new plastics. Let's get out on the road and have a bit of fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the series. There is a few more bits and pieces to come. I got a new handlebars for it in orange, some wheel spacers. I think that's about it really. So I'll probably do another one at some other point, but it probably won't be for a little while. Hope you are all having and already should I say ready for a good Christmas and New Year celebrations. Enjoy yourselves, and yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vids. Oh, also, if you've been watching these, please also check your subscribe to the channel. I only say that, I never ask people to subscribe, but I have lost quite a few subs, and I've had people contact me to say that they thought they were subscribed and it turns out YouTube had unsubscribed them. So check out that. If you like to follow the channel and you've already subbed, just have a quick check and see if you are still subbed. All subs are greatly appreciated. The numbers help me to do better things for the channel. Yeah, check that. If you can give us a like, make a comment, that really helps as well, the channel. If you want to help us further, there is Patreon. There's a link on my information page on my other page on the on YouTube. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Look forward to bringing you some more. Thank you everyone. Cheers now. Bye. I'm going. Bye bye. Bye.